In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the sign out option and how to make sure you fully ended your session, which is especially important if you're using a shared or public device. First, start by logging into your eToro account. It may sound obvious, but you need to be inside your account to access the correct menu. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel, and near the top of that panel, you should find your profile area. This is typically where your username, profile picture, or account balance is displayed. That's the menu you want to open. Go ahead and open the menu or profile section. You'll notice several options related to your account, settings, and platform features. Don't click into any of those just yet. Instead, focus on the menu itself and scroll all the way down. The log out option is intentionally placed at the bottom, so it's easy to find but hard to click by accident. If your sidebar is collapsed or minimized, expand it first so you can see the full list of options clearly, then continue scrolling to the end. When you reach the very bottom of the menu, click Log Out. In some layouts, it may appear as Log Out without a space, but it serves the same purpose. If the platform asks you to confirm, simply proceed. That's all there is to it. As soon as you do, you'll be signed out and taken back to the login screen or the home page. A quick way to confirm you're out is to look for the email and password fields or a login button instead of your portfolio view. A couple of quick tips to keep things secure. If you were using eToro on a public or shared computer, take a moment to make sure the login page is showing before you walk away. It's also a good habit to close the browser tab or app after logging out, just to prevent anyone from clicking back into your session. And if you rely on autofill, remember that saving passwords on shared devices is not recommended. That's it. You've learned the simplest way to log out of eToro. Open the profile menu in the left sidebar, scroll to the bottom, and click Log Out. Keep this in mind whenever you finish a session, especially if you switch between devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your account secure every time you're done trading.